Greetings everyone, in today's video I will show you how to mute an account on Thread. Before you get started, please subscribe to the channel. So first of all, open up Thread and then we can go to someone's profile which we like to mute. Let it be that one. Let's say that guy keeps bothering me with their notification with a ton of different messages and I can just mute it. So to mute the account from their profile, tap at three dots and then select mute. That will mute all the notification from that account. And now let me show you how we can easily find all your muted account to quickly unmute them. To do that, go to your profile, tap at globe, select muted, and that will show you all account you have muted. If you want to unmute someone, tap at unmute. That's how you can easily mute and unmute account on Thread. This is the video for today. Thanks for watching this.